Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to merge PDF files using the ILovePDF app. Just open the app and go to the Tools and now click on Merge PDF. We have to choose at least two files. We'll choose this one and this one. Click on Next, and after that you can drag and drop these PDF files to change their order like this. And if you are satisfied, click on Merge PDF and it's instantly created. You can have a look at it. Okay, we don't need this. And now we can see that I have merged this file, and after that comes this one. Alright, we can click here so that we can share it, we can rename it, or we can compress it as well. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope it helps.